old? 17 years old? Yeah, about 20.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. He's got to put a message on it with our cat.
I've got the other day, my Christmas presents, yeah.
But you know those two tiny bay dogs that got dumped?
Yeah.
Yeah, Maggie adopted one of them.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
That was sad otherwise.
He's only 10 weeks old. He's doing quite well though. Doesn't always play well with others.
Putting on the way to get the dog.
He needs to put on but he got the back. They bought him to Tiny.
Colour.
Yeah.
Got a meaning, doesn't it?
Yeah. I mean, he had the name Mercury, but it didn't really suit him. But when there was something that opened Maggie's eyes, so his name was Mercury.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so.
Good dog. Is he a good dog?
Happy 10 years.
I will. Yeah.